I am the happiest man alive because of Evetech. Evetech, my friends, are you? I love you. I love you, Evetech. I God. Evetech have sent us another package, Zijazami. Let's see what's inside. As is Jazam, God works in mysterious ways. God works in mysterious ways. I am going to win the award of the best husband ever, and because of Evetech, I am telling you. The reason I say that is because of a couple of weeks ago, my wife asked me for a smartwatch, and guess what? Today I got a smartwatch. Ooh, but this one, ngati yamadoda le. Okay, wait. It's either I win the best husband award ever, or you know what? I've got an idea. Let me call my wife. Bang! Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. It's right over here. Yeah, it's there. Okay.
Is this like a watch?
Let's open it so that you can see what exactly it is.
Okay. Woo! This is so beautiful. Wow.
So you remember a couple of weeks ago,
Uh-huh.
when you said you wanted a smartwatch,
Oh yeah?
and I said I'll get one for you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what do you think?
It's beautiful, number one. But I don't think that it's a woman watch.
You don't think it's a woman watch?
Yeah, I think this watch is for you actually.
You think
No, it's a babe. But I don't think it's mine. I don't think it's for me.
For reference, yeah, it doesn't.
It's too big.
It's the charge.
It sits on it.
Never. Gents, this is the Kospet TankT4. This is for men. Women, I don't work for women. This is for men. Remember, you can only get this at Evetech. It's called the Kospet T4 Zijazami. It's only retailing for 2.5, but it's special as we speak. 2.5 for this beauty, Zijazami. Wait, a bag will be like back. Nazo. And now you're fit. I'll see you on the next one, babe. I promise I'll get you yours soon. Okay. Yeah. Dango.